accounting was in the basement of Fold Hall. And it was late. And we didn't have the nice laser printers that we have now. It was a check printing machine that was about the size of a small Volkswagen. And it was a kerplunk, 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 right? So they were filming upstairs, and I was trying to get out. It was late, and I'm printing checks. And the film people came down and said, "We're trying to film upstairs, can you stop?" I'm like, "I'm trying to finish payroll." I've been here for 40 plus years, and I've seen like the technology go from simple ID cards that did absolutely nothing to things that can do your laundry. And the first payroll was that when I got here was like one step above paper, and then we've gone through like 5 or 6 payroll conversions. So I feel like I've really contributed a lot to the Institute, and this is a wonderful place.